Wow, what's that aftershave you're wearing?
Your high karate aftershave is so powerful, it drives women right out of their minds. That's why we have to put instructions on self-defense in every package. High karate, the brisk splash-on aftershave that smooths and soothes and cools. High karate, aftershave, cologne, and gift sets.
That's right, YouTube. Today we've got an unboxing of this bad boy. Anyone that grew up in the, well, before my time really, in the 60s, 70s and early 80s will remember this brand. It's High Karate. Classic cheap aftershave, you might say. The original type of adverts that Lynx sort of took up more recently. So let's get this out of the box. There's the obvious, the famous instruction book or instruction sheet that come with the aftershave. So let's get this out of the box and have a look and smell the bottle, I suppose. So, right. High Karate original aftershave. Oh, that smell. There you go, guys, just a bit of a comedy video. The things you can buy on the internet these days has allowed me to do this. So yeah, I guess I best be careful how I use it. So I'm just going to tag another advert on the end of this vid now from the UK this time. So I'll catch you next time.
And this unsuspecting girl is about to catch its irresistible scent. The high karate scent that can turn a usually docile woman into a ravenous creature. A scent so irresistible that every pack of high karate carries essential instructions on self-defense. High karate aftershave. Be careful how you use it.